Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is Odia poet Rajendra Kishore Panda bags Kuvempu Rashtriya Puraskar. The Kuvempu Rashtriya Puraskar, the national award instituted in memory of late poet laureate Kuvempu, has been awarded to renowned Odia poet Dr. Rajendra Kishore Panda for the year 2020. The prestigious award carries a cash award of rupees 5 lakh, a silver medal and a citation. Number 2. Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary to be new IAF Vice Chief. Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary will be the new Vice Chief of Indian Air Force, succeeding Air Marshal Harjit Singh Arora. Air Marshal Chaudhary is currently serving as Commander-in-Chief of the IAF's Western Air Command that looks after the security of the country's airspace in the sensitive Ladakh sector as well as various other parts of North India. Air Marshal Arora retired for service and Air Marshal Chaudhary is likely to take charge of the new assignment. Number 3. Indian origin American Abhimanyu Mishra becomes youngest ever chess grandmaster. Indian origin American Abhimanyu Mishra has become the youngest ever chess grandmaster in the world. At 12 years, 4 months and 25 days, he obliterated the long-standing record held by Sergei Karjakin, who was 12 years and 7 months old when he attained the title. 3 years ago, India's R. Pragananda has almost surpassed him but missed the opportunity by a whisker. Number 4. India ranked 20th in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021. India stands at the 20th spot among the top 100 countries that have been ranked in the Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021 by Startup Blink. The country was in the 17th spot in 2019, after which it slid 6 spots down and stood at 23rd in 2020. According to the report, India needs to better its infrastructure and internet speed in order to further strengthen its startup ecosystem. 5. India's oldest newspaper, Mumbai Samachar, turns 200. On July 1st, India's oldest newspaper, Mumbai Samachar, will enter its 200th year. The Gujarati newspaper, with its official located in an iconic red building at Horniman Circle in Mumbai's Fort area, was first published in 1822. It was founded by the Parsi scholar Fardonji Murazban, who had experimented with various other publishing options before landing on these successful print run. Number 6. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Secretary inaugurated Helpline Sukoon. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Secretary Arun Kumar Mehta inaugurated SDRF 1st Battalion's 24/7 Mental Health Helpline Sukoon at its headquarters. This initiative, launched by SDRF 1st Battalion Kashmir in collaboration with Mission Youth Jammu and Kashmir and Tourism Department, will guide the caller to avail service of clinical psychologist, therapist, counselor and psychiatrist. Number 7. Lieutenant Governor launched Hosla Inspiring Her Growth in Jammu and Kashmir. Lieutenant Governor Jammu and Kashmir Manoj Sinha has launched the Hosla Inspiring Her Growth, a comprehensive program or catalyzing women entrepreneurship in United Territory. The priority of the government is to reduce the gap between women and men entrepreneurs in a systematic manner and to encourage women who are currently engaged in various professions so that they too can become a part of the Hosla program. Number 8. Decoding Sankar wins at Toronto International Women's Film Festival. Freelance filmmaker Deepti Pillai, Sivan's most touted documentary Decoding Sankar, about the life and career of the celebrated musician Sankar Mahadevan, recently won the Best Film Award in the documentary session, Best Biographical at the Toronto International Women Film Festival 2021? Number 9. Filmmaker Raj Kausal passed away. Filmmaker Raj Kausal, who directed movies like Shaadi Ka Laddu and Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, passed away. He was married to actor TV presenter Mandira Devi. After from direction, Kaushal had also produced filmmaker on its 2005 acclaimed drama My Brother Nikhil, starring Sanjay Suri and Juhi Chawla. His last directorial was the 2006 thriller Thoni Kaun Hai, starring Arshad Warsi and Sanjay Dutt. Number 10. India ranked at 10th position in ITU's Global Cyber Security Index 2020. India has been ranked as the 10th best country in the world in the Global Cyber Security Index 2020 released by International Telecommunication Union. The GCI 2020 is the fourth edition of the annual index and ranked 194 countries. The GCI measures the commitment of the countries to cybersecurity at a global level. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.